Hello, word listeners. Welcome back to another exciting episode. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're diving into a common yet crucial word, equal. Let's unlock its meaning and see how it fits into your everyday English. So, what does equal mean? At a B1 level, equal as a verb means to match an amount or value. It signifies that two or more things are the same or equivalent. Think of it like this. If you have two groups and both have 5 items each, the groups equal each other in size. It's a fundamental concept, and we use it all the time without even realizing it. Now, let's explore some synonyms for equal. A good synonym is match. For example, his skill at playing the guitar doesn't match his enthusiasm. Another synonym we can use is equate. We could say, many people equate success with wealth, but that's not always true. Then we have the word amount too. The damages from the storm amount to thousands of dollars. How about correspond to? As in, the numbers on this graph correspond to the data in the report. Another useful synonym is resemble. Her actions resemble those of a true leader. Now, let's flip the coin and look at antonyms, words that mean the opposite of equal. A primary antonym is differ. For example, opinions differ greatly on this subject. Another antonym is vary. The prices of fruit vary, depending on the season. We can also use contrast. For instance, his calm demeanor contrasts sharply with her anxiousness. Another antonym is diverge. We could say, their paths in life diverge after university. And let's include clash. Their political views clash significantly. Now, let's think about how we use equal in everyday life. You might hear someone say, all men are created equal, a very famous and important statement. Or, when splitting a bill, you might ask, shall we divide this equally? Another common use is in math, where you'll frequently encounter the equal sign, indicating that two expressions have the same value. For example, 2 plus 2 equals 4. Think about sharing food with a friend. You want to make sure you have an equal amount. Or comparing salaries between two people doing the same job should be equal as well. Let's dive into some more sentence examples to solidify your understanding. The benefits of exercising equal a longer and healthier life. His dedication to the project doesn't equal his actual experience. To them, freedom equals happiness. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Does the cost of the materials equal the amount we budgeted? The weight of the package equals 2 kilograms. Her courage equals that of a lion. In this game, skill equals victory. The challenges ahead equal a significant opportunity for growth. His efforts equal a promotion, in my opinion. Another example, an hour equals 60 minutes. Hard work often equals success. The amount she saved equals her goal. His contribution to the team equals that of the other members. In mathematics, x can equal any number. The total cost of the trip equals $500. The temperature in Celsius equals the temperature in Kelvin minus 273.15. The quality of the product equals its price. Her experience in the field equals that of a veteran. In the end, kindness often equals forgiveness. For some, happiness equals spending time with family. The length of the rope equals 10 meters. The area of the square equals the side length squared. The volume of the cube equals the side length cubed. The circumference of a circle equals 2 times pi times the radius. The diameter of a circle equals twice the radius. The perimeter of the rectangle equals 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. The speed of light equals approximately 299,792,458 meters per second. The gravitational constant equals approximately 6.674 times 10 minus 11 nm2, kg2. The value of pi equals approximately 3.14159. The sum of angles in a triangle equals 180 degrees. The acceleration due to gravity equals approximately 9.8 m/s superscript 2. The amount of time he spent studying equals his success in the exam. Okay, so to recap, equal means to match an amount or value. We explored synonyms like match, equate, amount to, correspond to, and resemble, and antonyms like differ, vary, contrast, diverge, and clash. We also looked at various examples of how equal is used in everyday language. Remember, practice makes perfect. Now, for today's call to action, if you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Hello Word and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show and learn English too. And here's a fun challenge. Create your own sentence using the word equal and share it as a comment under this video. I'm excited to see what you come up with. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next episode.